there we have it. That's Blink-182, All the Small Things. Interesting on this, I worked it out on YouTube and it's 3 chords. Simplest way to do this on one string, if you go up to fret 8, you can count, it's the gaps in between, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as I say, you can do it on one string. It will start 8 and then 1 and then 3. So it's C, F, G for that opening sequence. What I'm doing here is the same as going from the G to the F. And when I'm playing it, I'm doing it using bar chords. If you want to get used to this quick, then just the one string's fine, because you could do the same thing. So. Eight, 13. So you go to 8 to 13, or you could go 8 to 1, because 1 and 13 are both F. So you can either go higher or you can go lower. Hope that makes sense. If you like to keep it simple, then the 3 chords is literally number 8, which is the C, 1, which is the F, 3, which is the G. And then you've got that sort of verse where the strings are muted. What I'm doing here, put my first finger on number 8, put my third finger on the A string, so that's the string below string 5, and that's going to be on number 10. And I'm just playing strings 6 and 5 together. But to get that sound that's not more of a muted sound, I'm using my palm just to rest. The more you practice this, you get used to how much of your palm you put on. So it takes a bit of practice, but you don't have to do that. You can just literally do the power chords, or you can do it on one string. So an easy way to do this is one finger on the 8th fret, third finger on the 10th, and it's literally just the string below, but we've kind of got this shape. And you're playing the 2 strings. Or you can remove your third finger, so you're just holding down the 1 and just do the one string here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. With the 2 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Muted. To get that sound, you do need to give it a bit of a... And again, it's just practice, which you do it little and often, you'll be able to achieve this no problem. So hope this helps. It's 3 chords. It's a variation of that. What I was doing at the start is called bar chords, and you're clamping down the whole string with your first finger, your index finger. Excuse me. And it's just another shape. So it's actually the E major shape. And you're basically moving that shape up the neck, but you bar down the fret which you want to play, which would be your bar chord. But it is the same shape. Excuse me. I'm going to leave it there because clearly my voice is going. This was supposed to be Monday's video, but I had quite a late night last night, so I'm doing it this morning, and video 2 will be later. So look out for that. I hope you enjoy. Do comment and let me know what you think. And also if you want to have a go as well. See ya.